Hi, Liston here, and I wanted to share with you some great information. So it is gift giving time, and I am here to share with you our 1 year anniversary that we have. Let's see, goodness, I want to say kind of like coming out of COVID, right? But I wanted to share with you our gifts that we give our CARApreneur members. And I'm going to share with you a little bit about also the membership. We've made a couple changes with that. And I'm going to share with you a little bit about what it is. And then those lucky girls that are going to be getting some beautiful gifts in the mail. So, yay. Thank you, first of all, for being a fabulous and loyal client. And I'm going to also kind of give you a little detail on what being a CARApreneur member is, and also all about retailing CARA Cosmetics. And let's first off start with some fun gifts, right? Okay, well, first off, when you join the CARApreneur membership, it's kind of like you get all these fabulous perks. So being a carpreneur means that you are one of our family members now. You get to retail CARA Cosmetics, you're building your client base, and you are making up to 50% commission revenue on each sale that you make. So I'm going to share with you a little bit about how that works and why would you want to be one? Well, everybody loves perks, and the cool thing about it is that if you are someone that, like us, that we retail every day and we work with clients. So as a makeup artist, how do you want to make several sources of revenue? And retail is a big one. So how it works is that many of our carpreneurs have already taken our CARA Makeup Academy classes. And so they understand how to retail the product, they understand the whole line, and they also understand, how to generate revenue. So if you are someone that loves working one-on-one with clients and you have a, let's say you work in a salon or you have your own studio, or maybe you're a freelancer and you work with private clients, then integrating makeup lessons is like a no-brainer. I would say for the most part, if you've got loyal clients, they want to learn what you do on them. So that's going to be a great way to now add an additional income to your annual revenue, right? Or monthly revenue or weekly revenue. So with being a carpreneur, how it works, and I'll just share with you, it is going to be like, I would say, I don't know if you've ever joined a membership or maybe you offer a membership in your spa. So how it works is that we have different tiers, and we have a silver tier, we also have a gold tier, and we have a platinum tier. So as a silver member, that would probably be, unless you have a big volume, that would probably be the entry level Carpreneur membership. And that's $99 a month. So what that means is that every month you're billed $99. That $99, it's kind of like a prepaid debit card, I guess is how you would want to think of it, or you're issued a gift certificate with us. And you get to spend those $99 every month. And as long as you're a current member, you actually get to, that does not go away. So it's not like you have to spend the $99 every month. If you're a gold member, it's $199. And why do you want to be a member, right? Well, when you're a silver member, the nice thing about it is that with CARA Cosmetics, we actually can drop ship directly to your client. And our carapreneurs also get what we call carapreneur shipping. So you get a $9, let's say $9.95 each time you ship. So let's say you do a makeup lesson and your client says, okay, I want the foundation, I want the concealer, I want these eyeshadows, I want the lip colors. So you now have built up, let's say, a $300 sale. What you do is, instead of, if you can't, let's say, carry inventory, then what you do is you get to put in an order for your client. You would collect their money in advance. And then with our ordering system, since you're already a member, you place your order. And as a silver member, you're going to get a 45% discount. So you are making 45% off of that $300 sale, right? So that is a you just made, on top of your makeup lesson, you just made, what, about maybe $135 off of that $300 sale. So that's pretty nice extra income. So all you do is you place that order, and then you put in your client's shipping address if you're not going to give it to them in person, and then it gets shipped directly to them. You have your CARApreneur shipping, $9.95, and there you go. It's an easy way to make money. It's basically kind of like an affiliate, but with way more perks, right? So then what we have also is that you get a $10 monthly education credit. So you can accumulate these credits as long as you are a current member. You get to accumulate these credits and put them towards future classes that we have. And then another thing is that you get, once a year, you're going to get a gift that is my secret gift that I ship to you. And that's what I'm going to show you guys as well. And then you're also going to get a 30-minute strategy session with me. So you can set up that appointment, and then we can talk about business related things, or if you want to talk about maybe some ways of improving your techniques or services. So that is also something that you get. And so as a silver member, it's like I said, it's $99 a month, and you get to use that money every time. Okay, so here, as a gold member, which some of our clients are also gold members, that's $199 a month. Now you're at a 50% discount. So from that $300 sale, you just made $150. And also the same thing applies. You get also a bigger secret gift as well. And so the silver members, with their secret gift, it is a minimum of $99. Then with the gold member, your gift is $199 value. So let's go to the fun stuff. Let me share with you what we've got here. And so as you can see, and then the platinum members, I would highly recommend for salons. That is the $299 a month, also at the 50% discount too. So you can see that there's a lot of benefits. If you are going to be selling regularly, it gives you motivation. You get a higher discount than our select retail members. And you also get some fun perks too. So these goodies are going out in the mail with your shipments. And so for those of you guys that you know who you are, hello, and we love you. And I wanted to share with you because we are sending out some fabulous goodies. So you're going to get a package with some fun things in here. We're also, so I put together, these are actually kind of like pre-fall colors because that's coming soon enough, right? And you're going to get, I'm going to stop sharing this so you guys can see all the fun stuff. Okay, here we go, right? So you're going to get this. You've got your 3 eyeshadows that you're going to get. So these are actually kind of like in that gorgeous plummy shade. This one is Aruba. If you haven't used this one yet, this is absolutely beautiful. You're going to get 2 more of these colors as well. And of course, we're going to add to that collection. This is Bordeaux, and this is a gorgeous matte. We've had this, it's a staple in the CARA line, and using it wet or dry, it's a gorgeous liner. It's a gorgeous, smoky kind of color. And then one of my absolute faves, I've got to show you all these 3 together because it's a very monochromatic kind of look. But this one is Tahiti. And Tahiti is also one of these colors that is a tried and true. Then what we have is you're going to get a lip matte with that as well. So you get this to go with your collection. I've kind of curated it to where it all goes together. And then you're also getting a couple of brushes. So you're going to get, and now, the thing is that as the little gift, you can definitely use it for yourself. You can give it away if you want. You can use it as like a giveaway promotion, whatever you want to do. If you want to sell it, you can sell them as well. So this is over $100 value. And then you're going to get the number 24 brush and the number 13. So these are some of my favorite smudgy brushes that are great for detail, and you can use these also with your eyeshadows. So, and I sure hope you post the look when you get your colors and what you've created with that look, because that's what it's all about. Being a makeup artist is the creativity and having some fun. Okay, so that's for our silver members. That's what you're going to get. For our gold members and our platinum members, you're actually going to get all of that, plus you're going to get another brush, one of my favorites also, which is number 21. And 21 is one of our newest brushes that has the spoolie, and it has a nice, beautiful, thin angle, so you can use it for brows. I love to use it as a liner as well. So it's become one of my new favorite brushes that I absolutely have to have. And I'll show you. I've got one out of the package here. So this is the brush. It is so nice and like really thin and precise. So that's what I love about that brush. So you're going to get that brush, plus you're going to get a lip gloss to add to your lip matte. And you're also getting my absolute favorite. This one I use daily, and this is the Lemon Quench Super Serum. So all of these items together are going to be a higher value than $199. So that's the gift that you guys are going to get in the mail just for being a member. So I think that's pretty cool. It's almost like getting a month free because you're getting all of this stuff in product that I'm sending to you. And why not perk up your summer a little bit, right? It's a good time to get some free perks and some bonuses. So any of you that want to become a member, then contact us here at CARA Cosmetics. Or if you want to find out a little bit more information, or you can also just go to, we have a little QR code right on the screen. You can click on that and go to our website and learn more about it. But definitely give us a call. It's a super easy, simple setup to where we just bill you once a month. Like I said, it rolls over. So let's say, oh, you're going to have a whole bunch of orders maybe every other month. It doesn't matter because it rolls over, but you're still getting all your fabulous perks. So that's what I wanted to share with you. We're getting into the busy season. Why not amp it up? Also, we have, you're going to get access to the Facebook CARApreneur and CARA Cat Facebook group. So we are doing trainings in the group, and we are revamping it, giving you more content. And then, of course, we have all of our CARA Makeup Academy classes as well. So if you haven't been certified yet with us and you really want to learn more about makeup artistry, then we are your go-to. We take, the makeup industry, I would say, to the next level: professional, profitable, and you know what? Make it passionate too. So it's been fun sharing all of this information with you. Give us a call at 407-622-1997 if you want to find out more about being a member, or maybe you want to upgrade your membership. Maybe you want to become a platinum member. So we can share all of this information with you more in detail, but I just wanted to hop on and give you a little fun surprise for today. Have a great one. See you guys. Bye.